by Design, and I am excited to reveal my August kit for Button Farm Club. This month we are going to be working with the fabulous Simple Stories Vintage Lemon Twist collection, which is all sold out and impossible to get. So this kit is really going to be fun. I have some good tricks up my sleeve. We're going to be working with the 12 by 12 collection kit, which has 12 sheets of the designer paper. I love the vibrant, happy prints in here. These aquas mixed with these shades of yellow and green is just fabulous. We get all of these wonderful patterns, cut aparts, journal cards, the sticker sheet with all these great sentiments and tags. We're also going to get a bonus sheet of the banner pieces. We're going to get the 6 12 by 12 color matched solids, which will come in so handy for some of the things that I have planned for us to make. And then we're going to get 6 sheets of 12 by 12 black cardstock. So that's kind of the basic guts of the kit. Let me move this out of the way and show you the fun stuff. We're going to get a package of the Lemon Twist bits and pieces, all these wonderful little ephemera pieces, tags, tickets, frames, banners. Then we're going to get the wonderful frames, chipboard frames. We're going to do some fun things with those. We're going to get a package of little Birdie Heleen aqua flowers. We're going to get 6 black doilies. We're going to get a yard of this beautiful aqua and yellow floral satin ribbon. We're going to get 2 yards of Forsythia seam binding. We're going to get 2 yards of Aqua Baker's twine. You're going to get this delightful little package of buttons, yellow buttons, so happy. And then look at these guys. Look at these bee charms. There are bee patterns in this paper. You're going to get these gorgeous enamel bees and a gorgeous honeycomb charm. We're going to do fun things with that. And then this wonderful shaker tin. Let me see if I can open this without making a huge mess. This is so pretty with this collection. You've got the silver, the gold, and the black. And you've got stars and cup sequins. So this is going to make a some gorgeous shaker cards. So that is what comes in your kit. Let me clear this up and I'll come back and show you what we're going to be making. Okay guys, you ready to see what we made? This is kind of a, I don't know what to call this kit. I just was in the mood to make a bunch of different things, and not necessarily all cards, not necessarily a folio, not necessarily an album. So we started out by making a really pretty little banner for home decor. This will look so sweet hanging up, and you're going to learn how to do this all step by step as part of the kit. So that's really fun. Then the next thing we made was this adorable itty bitty star album. This little guy is only like 3 by 3. But look how cute it is. It opens out like this. There are little flaps that open. There are little places to write down dates. There's room for photos. It's just the cutest little thing. And this is really fun to make. And once you learn how to make the itty bitty one, you can easily transfer the design to making a large one. Then I decided I wanted to do another folio, and this is a shaker easel folio. This is so fun. This will look great on your desk. I was designing this for you to keep on your desk. So look how cute our shaker is, and you won't believe how we make the shaker. It's a very cool technique. And this little bee, little honeycomb, little buttons hanging off the side, and then when you open it up, the inside is decorated. You've got a wonderful pocket with room for journaling, photos, memory keeping, whatever you want. Here's a little mini folio that we decorate up that opens out like this. So this would be a great gift. You can put photos on the back. Just really fun to make. And these live in this pocket. And then look, this is a secret compartment. How fun is that? And then inside, there's room for more photos or journaling, whichever you like. And then this lives in the little secret panel down here. So there's that. So I wanted to shake things up this month, and I took myself rather literally, because then we made this really cool shaker folio, which is totally awesome. These are all the frames that come in the kit. There's another sweet little bee, buttons. This opens out like this. You've got a flap page. Over here, you've got an accordion pull-out page, pocket, room for photos, room for journaling. Here you've got a little accordion action, a little waterfall action going on, and then a really sweet decoration on the bottom. So this would make a beautiful gift for a friend. Then, because I was in the mood, we made a slimline shaker card. Look how fun this is with the lemons and the bees. Really cute. And then inside, there's a little gift card pocket or a little tea bag or chocolate pocket. So there's that one, super cute. And that one was so fun, I decided I had to make a vertical version of it with this film strip frame. We added a little tag here, little button and string, and look how cute this is. And then on the inside, there's another little pocket, room over here to add a photo or whatever, just pretty, pretty. This collection, paper collection, is gorgeous. Then I was just having too much fun, shaking to stop. So we made this beautiful botanical Sweet Life 6x6, and then this is decorated on the inside and a little gift card pocket up here. And then another 6x6 shaker. And you're going to be tickled when you see how we did this. I'm just going to say one word, recycling. And then inside another pocket with a little card, room to write a greeting up here. Look how gorgeous this is with the lemons, the butterflies. And then to finish things up, I made some really fun little design cards. This is just a 4x5 pocket card with a little journal tag inside. This is a little Z-fold card with room to write a message over here, and then a secret panel on the back. And this is really fun. This is an accordion folio with flaps and flips and hidden journal spots. I designed this to be a place where you could write down good thoughts or happy greetings. This would be great to send to someone who is maybe a little under the weather. It would definitely encourage them and lift them up. So lots of fun little features in that. So this is all the kit. Truly amazing. I really love it. I had such a good time making it, and I hope you will too. You can order yours at the Button Farm Club. I will put the link below so that you can find it. This is a limited edition kit. This is not my subscription kit. This is just my monthly kit that I do every month. So if you want to get this one, you have to order it. And when it's gone, it's gone. There is no more of this lemon twist paper coming out. This is it. This is the end. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Thanks so much for taking a peek at what I've been up to. And now I'm going to go clean up my craft room. Bye.